Next.
What's going on here?
I got a what?
God have mercy upon us.
Is that why you want to bring down the ground? Yeah?
Na police force, the force in police. Yes.
Is the force on your leg?
It's in everywhere, both leg, hand. Sorry, sir.
Today I'll be deploying you people. Yes, I want to test your abilities.
Jesus, I thank you. Well, you do well for me. They don't promote us.
Wait, this man.
They don't employ us full time now.
When I tell you, say this is our job, our experience is the best.
I will tell you.
Okay. What is your experience?
Everybody know me.
Who are you?
Me? My experience, I got my experience
No,
from...
they talk only our experience.
We should be our experience. You say, what is my experience? And make an experience to officer.
Hey, please, I don't want...
Bam.
What is two of you experience?
Okay, my own experience, sir.
Okay.
My experience is, I got my experience from ECD department.
ECD department.
And what is ECD department?
That is special training force.
Yes, sir.
ECD department. Catch and
Eat department.
Catch and eat department.
Catch and eat department.
You know notice I say all those fowl wey dey fly enter our barrack. Na top of the chop am.
Nothing dem legal wey go just pass go. Even car will go to all those things, tortoise, everything.
Yes. Oga, make I even give you idea. I mean say this idea wey dey my head, if I give you am, na me suppose be DPO.
You don't know.
Yeah, you don't know.
You want to take over my job?
No, you say all those animal wey dey always catch, all those fowl dey fly enter our department, na we dey chop am.
If you like tell you, Jesus, who should you?
Hey, children dey sit to
Na local.
locals.
I never reach now.
Hey, Jesus. Sergeant. Sir? Two of you should mount front and know what is going on there.
Sure, sir.
Go away. No be you be senior officer.
Which one be senior officer? No be sergeant. I mean a junior officer.
I go. Okay, na stick una give me. Una no give me gun o.
Carry oga gun dey go now.
You know what? You carry this one.
Bullet no dey inside.
I go not die.
Only one bullet.
Hey,